guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be solving word problems from Hoppy and Alice Bake a Cake. The directions say solve each math problem. The first problem says Hoppy and Alice let the cake in the oven for 30 minutes before checking on it. Then they left it in the oven for another 25 minutes. How many minutes do they leave the cake in the oven altogether? There is a keyword in this problem. The keyword is altogether. And that keyword tells us to add. So we're going to take the 30 minutes that they left the cake in the oven, and then we are going to add the 25 minutes that they left it in the oven after they checked on it. I wrote the numbers vertically, and I have my ones and my tens columns aligned. I'm going to start by adding the column that is the furthest to the right. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the cake was in the oven for 55 minutes altogether. The next problem says, did Hoppy and Alice let the cake bake for more than an hour, less than an hour, or exactly 1 hour? So this is a greater than, less than, or equal to problem, and what we need to know is how many minutes are in an hour. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. I'll go ahead and write 60 minutes over here. And they had their cake in the oven for 55 minutes. I'm going to put a hundreds chart on the screen, and I want you to take a look and let me know which is greater, 55 minutes or 60 minutes. Hopefully, looking at the chart, you're able to see that 55 minutes is less than 60 minutes. 60 is the greater amount, so I'm going to place 2 dots next to the number 60. Then I'm going to connect my dots. What I've made is the less than symbol. So I can say that 55 minutes is less than 60 minutes. They had that cake in for less than 1 hour. The next question says that a cupcake from the bakery costs $2. Alice had $10. How many cupcakes could she buy? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a picture because I don't see any keywords. So a picture is the strategy I want to use. Alice had $10. I'm going to go ahead and draw those $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And every $2, she can buy 1 cupcake. So here's $2, that's 1 cupcake. Here's $2, that's 1 cupcake. $2, 1 cupcake. $2, 1 cupcake. So how many cupcakes could she buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She could buy 5 cupcakes. Next question, number 4, says Miss Noel cut the cake into 8 pieces. Miss Noel, Hoppy, and Alice each ate 1 piece of cake. What fraction of the cake did they eat? Once again, I am going to go ahead and draw a picture. I'm going to draw myself a circle and divide it into 8 equal pieces. And I'm going to color in the piece of cake that I ate. There's 1 piece of cake for Hoppy. Here's 1 piece of cake for Alice. So that's the cake that we ate. I colored in 3 pieces. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces all together. So the fraction of the cake that we ate was 3/8. Last question, it says bonus. Eggs usually come in packages of a dozen. How much is a dozen? And I'm going to insert a video clip here, and you're going to find out how many eggs are in a dozen. This is a dozen eggs. I'll give you a minute to go ahead and count those up. And if you said that there are 12 in a dozen, you're correct. A dozen is equal to 12. I hope that you enjoyed solving word problems from Hoppy and Alice Bake a Cake. That's all I have for you today, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.